India is doing well in many things, such as, putting pressure on your kids, fixing marriages, and becoming Sherlock Holmes as soon as we see new people. Now, judging people is in our blood, and it seems like we're very good at it. Like, whenever you see someone from Delhi, you're like, dekh, pakka kaand karke aaya. Like, as soon as you see someone from Kolkata, you're like, dekh, pakka leftist hai, Gangli bhi leftist hai. Now, we have so many characters who are amazing at jumping to conclusions. If there ever was a competition, I wonder who would win.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to India's favorite game show and national pastime. This is Jumping to Conclusions. I am your host, Mitchell. And with us tonight is our first contestant.
She wraps culture around herself and calls it a sari. A rock star in every home, her broken records play all over the country. Give it up for every Indian mother.
And now, contestant number 2.
With his 18,000 tweets and 19 followers, all the way from a click farm in Nagpur, give it up for the online troll!
And his catchphrase.
Cock! And finally, our returning champion of the last 70 years, with his mustache soaked in chai pani, his belt of thoda adjust kar lo, and his lathi charged with brutality, representing the Indian police force, it's Havaldar Singh!
And now let's see who's good at jumping to conclusions. Your first challenge is, an 18-year-old boy was supposed to be home from cricket practice at 8 p.m. It is now 8:05. Contestants, jump to conclusions.
पार्क में बैठे स्ट्रॉबेरी कंडम पहन के चुम्मा चाटी कर रहा है.
मर गया मेरा राजा बेटा, मर गया.
किसी की नजर लग गई. ये सब उस नितिन की वजह से.
Youth corrupted by SI propaganda. 23 artists, 4 likes.
Correct answer. You win a follow back from the Prime Minister.
Already have it.
Now let's move on to the next round of jumping to conclusion. The next situation is a girl.
प्रेग्नेंट हो गई होगी. मेरी नन्ही कली प्रेग्नेंट हो गई होगी उस घटिया नितिन की वजह से.
अरे मैडम, ऐसे कपड़े पहनेंगे तो ऐसा ही होगा ना.
Feminism going out of hand. Feminazi, Femi-fascist, Femi-paradox, Femina-Miss India, Fem-Pem-se Gori-Gori.
Contestants, please, don't judge a girl just because she's a girl. At least hear what the bitch has done first.
I agree with this whole.
Now, the full situation is, a girl has uploaded a status on her Facebook that reads, "Why always me? Sad smiley, cry smiley, sad smiley, cry smiley." Now, contestants, jump to conclusions.
Betrayed in love jihad, but mainstream media never show this.
फिर से MMS कांड हो गया मैडम का.
हॉस्टल में रह रही होगी बेचारी. घर का खाना मिस कर रही होगी बेचारी.
Compassion detected. Compassion detected.
No, chi. That was a positive judgment coming from a place of compassion. That has no place in my show. I'm sorry, madam. You are disqualified. Shame. Shame. Puppy. Shame. All the donkeys know your name. Contestants, I will give you one situation and you must base all your judgments around it. The final person standing will be the winner. Your situation is, a couple in their 20s are in a live-in relationship.
Live-in relationship? मतलब शादी से पहले sex?
Soldier is standing on border, but liberal couple having sex in AC. RT if you agree, like if you are anti-national.
Rave party मतलब वो weed करते हैं ऐसे.
Wrong. They do beef like this.
Lower back में tattoo. विदेशी धंधा करते।
AIDS and piercing. AIDS and piercing.
IPL for breakfast.
Homosex agenda.
Divorce.
50% of American couple divorce.
Fact detected. Fact detected. Fact detected.
Manish_687. Did you just use a fact while jumping to conclusions?
No, what I meant was 100% of Western culture destroy 100% of Indian youth.
और भाई कितना RT है इसके लिए?
Delete.
You can't delete that because you've been screenshot.
Using my own tactic against me. This is why right-wing account never get verified.
And with that, the online troll has been eliminated. Our winner and still the reigning champion of jumping to conclusion is Havaldar Singh of the Indian Police Force. Well done, Havaldar Singh, and here is your prize.
क्या मजाक समझाइए? 1000 का नोट। भाई कहाँ है भाई तेरी परमिशन शूट के? So the next time if you see a troll online, or if your friend is a troll, screenshot the image that we're going to be putting up for the next few seconds and make sure you use this as a post and tag that friend of yours who's a troll. Now do this for your country and for your internet.